Very good morning, everybody. My name is Satish Kumar. I am studying destructive testing and non-destructive testing in civil. Today, my assignment topic is the tensile test on the mild steel and procedure with IS codes. The tension test is applied on the certain length of the metal pieces of for each unit of steel batch to know its tensile strength. Apart from that, tensile strength, the Young's modulus, and ultimate tensile strength will also be calculated. Why it is important? Based on the tensile strength value, the steel will be graded, and this is IS code is 1608. The tensile strength one of the essential property of the steel. Apart from that, the other steel features of the modulus of elasticity and yield strength, failure and breaking point also play vital role of the strength of the steel. The tension test on the steel ensure that the steel has very below mentioned properties of withstand the structural loads. Yield strength. The starting point of the steel rod deformed by the applying of the stress is called yield strength. Modulus of elasticity. Measurement of the material's stiffness is known as the modulus of elasticity. The ratio between stress and strain is called modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus. Failure of breaking point of steel. The steel rod starting to break due to the load occurrence is called failure of breaking point of steel. And procedure. Mainly we follow the IS code 1608. The steel specimen should be clean and must be threaded on both ends before the placing it. The gauge length is marked by punching tool. Now place the steel specimen on the testing machine and connect the extensometer in the right position. Choose the parameter which have to be tested through the computer that is connected to the machine. Now apply the tensile stress gradually on the steel specimen. It is start to deform the which has to be noted down as the yield point. Due to the stretching of the steel rod, its length will be increased from its original length called elongation of the steel rod. After the specimen limit of stress, the rod will break and it's called the ultimate load. We can get all parameters to determine the tensile strength of the steel rod from the computer which is already connected to the machine. So based on the steel specimen test results, it is proper such as a yield point, breaking point and ultimate point data will be plotted as per graph. This is test process for the tensile test on steel pieces.